If you've just set up a Windows 11 PC, or maybe you're tired of your browser opening links in something other than Chrome, today's tutorial is going to walk you through every step to make Google Chrome your default browser. By the end of this video, you'll have Chrome set up to open all your web links, so you can enjoy all your bookmarks, extensions, and favorite settings every time you click a link. Let's jump right in. First things first, we need to get to the right place in your Windows settings. Start by clicking the Start menu. You'll find this down at the bottom left corner of your screen. It's that little Windows logo. This step is like opening the main menu in a video game. It's your gateway to everything in your computer's settings. Once you've got the Start menu open, look for the Settings icon. It usually looks like a little gear. Think of it as the toolbox for your PC. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will open up a new window full of options for customizing your computer. Now, inside Settings, you'll see a bunch of different categories. What you're looking for is Apps. Why Apps? Because changing which programs handle certain tasks, like browsing the web, happens right in here. So find and click on Apps in the sidebar or main menu. Next up is Default Apps. This is a really important section because it tells Windows which app to use for each type of file or link. By setting defaults, you're basically telling your computer, hey, when I open a website or click an email link, I want Chrome to handle it. So click on Default Apps. Don't worry if things look a little busy here. There are a lot of options, but we're going to zero in on just one. Google Chrome. You might see a long list of applications, so take your time and scroll if you need to. You're looking specifically for Google Chrome in that list. If you don't see it at first, don't stress. It might be a little further down, or you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find it by typing Chrome. Once you locate Google Chrome in the list, go ahead and click on it. This will open up a screen showing you all the types of files and links that Chrome could be set to open. But to save you time, there's usually a simple button labeled Set Default or Make Google Chrome your default browser. Click that. It's like putting up a sign on your PC that says, all web roads lead to Chrome. And that's really it. Windows may work for a moment to update its settings. If you get a little loading animation, let it do its thing. Afterward, every time you click a link, Chrome will be the browser that opens. It's a small change, but it makes your daily internet experience smoother and more personalized. If at any point you get stuck or something doesn't look quite the same on your computer, don't worry. Sometimes Windows updates can move things around just a little bit, but the overall process is the same. Take a breath and try again. And feel free to pause the video and follow along at your own pace. Thanks so much for watching. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, drop them in the comments below. I do read them and I'm here to help. Make sure to subscribe for more clear, step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Happy browsing!